guys, this is Dr. Suguna. Have you ever felt like learning programming is difficult? In this video, I am going to share with you some reasons why programming can be challenging. Programming requires logical thinking and problem solving skills. It will take some time and practice to develop. Programming languages can be complex and difficult to understand, especially for the beginners. There are many different programming languages and tools available, and to choose one among them will be overwhelming and confusing also. Programming involves constant learning and keeping up with new technologies and updates, which can be time-consuming and challenging. Learning programming requires persistence and patience, as it can take time to master the concepts and skills. So, if you are struggling with learning programming, remember that it's normal to find it difficult. Don't be discouraged and keep practicing, learning, and asking for help. Find a community of programmers to connect with and keep yourself motivated. And if you want to learn more about tech topics, be sure to follow our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like button and share it with your friends who are interested in tech. Thank you.